Turning off your Android phone is simple, but the method can vary depending on your device and settings. Whether you're using a Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, or another Android phone, there are several easy ways to power it off. In this guide, we'll walk through 4 reliable methods, including hardware buttons, quick settings, accessibility features, and Google Assistant. Option 1. Use the button combination. Many newer Android phones no longer open the power menu by holding only the power button. Instead, that action launches Google Assistant or another digital assistant. To turn off your phone using the buttons, press and hold the power and volume up buttons together for about 3 seconds. When the power menu appears, tap power off. If prompted, tap power off again to confirm. This is the fastest method and works on most modern Samsung Galaxy and Google Pixel devices. Option 2. Use the quick settings panel. You can also shut down your phone without using any physical buttons. Swipe down from the top of the screen twice to fully expand the quick settings panel. Look for the power icon, usually located near the settings gear. Tap the icon and then select power off. Confirm if your phone asks for confirmation. This option is especially useful if your power button isn't working properly. Option 3. Use the accessibility menu. Android includes an accessibility menu that provides on-screen shortcuts for common actions. Open settings. Tap accessibility. Select accessibility menu, or on Samsung devices, go to interaction and dexterity, assistant menu. Turn the feature on. Tap the floating accessibility icon on your screen and choose the power option. Select power off to shut down your device. This method is ideal for users who prefer on-screen controls or have difficulty using physical buttons. Option 4. Ask Google Assistant. If Google Assistant is enabled, you can use your voice. Say, "Hey Google, switch off my phone." Your phone will display the power menu. Tap power off on the screen to complete the shutdown. This hands-free method is convenient when you're busy or unable to reach your phone's buttons. We hope this guide helped. Please like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you never miss our latest Android tips and tricks.